Hey guys, this is how to add links to your Canva elements. So these elements could be either a photo or a text or a video or whatever kind of element that's there on Canva really. So let's just try it out with this text right here. So what we're going to do is just highlight the text and then click on this link icon right here and then just enter your link. So this is the link to my portfolio. I will just click on done. And now I can just click on this and it will take me to my portfolio. And now what if I want to add it to this picture as well? So I'll just right click on it and then I will click on link, or you can use the keyboard shortcut that you see right here. So I'll just click on link and then I'll enter the same link and then click on done. And now when you click on this picture, you can just go to the link. And what if you want to edit the link that's there on the element? You can also do this by clicking on this pen icon. So this will allow you to edit the link and you can change it. You can enter a different link and then just click on done again and you'll be all set. So yeah, this is how easy it is, guys. Hope that video was helpful.